This is Greg McCloskey with a Forex commentary for FXDD for today, Monday, July 12th, 2010. Take a look at the sterling versus US dollar. We've had a interesting day in that currency pair. Taking a look at the 5-minute chart to start things off. The move down today took the price all the way down from a high of around well, the high actually occurred in the first few minutes of trading at about the 150.77 level, actually 79 level, and moved the market all the way down to 149.48. Since that time, the market has rebounded and went a whole 100% higher, retracing the whole move to the downside, reaching a high of 150.85. I have a 50% retracement of this move that takes the price of the move down, I guess, from the high that we saw on Friday at 152.03 down to the low that we saw here today, and the 50% retracement comes in at 150.75. What's the significance of that line? I'm going to go to the hourly chart. I'm going to look at this period here. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit to show this more clearly. And if you look at this low came in around the 150.75. Then we had a low around 80. We had another low around 80, 77, right around this area. And then we had another low at the 74 level. And we had some highs here at around the 75 level as well, 75, 76. So that level, 150.75, is a key level for me in the sterling versus US dollar. The move above to 150.85 is good, but the move back down to below the 150.75 level is not necessarily all that good. If we leave this tail here in this hourly bar, then the market's going to look at that as a negative. We could see the sterling versus US come back to the downside. So this closing hour is going to be key, or this next couple hours, I guess, are going to be key for the sterling versus US dollar. Are we able to move above the 150.75 level, move back in this consolidation range that we've seen here, or is the market going to find some sellers here on a disappointment of the failure to break above the 150.75 and look and move toward our 200-hour moving average, our next target on the top side at the 151.12 level. So that's the way this currency pair is playing out. If the market fails at the 150.75, we could see the market start to rotate back down toward the 100 and the 200 bar moving average on this 5-minute chart. That 200 bar moving average currently comes in at 150.21, and the 100 bar moving average comes in at 150.12. Playing the technicals, looking at the key moving averages, looking at failures, and taking the clues from what the market price is telling you is all that goes into figuring out the value in a stock or in a currency pair, and whether the bias is bullish or bearish. Right now, we're at that key point for the sterling versus US dollar, whether to see if the price is going to move higher or the price is going to correct down. This is Greg McCloskey with a Forex commentary for Forex FX Street. Thank you very much.